In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Have you not seen those who were told, "Restrain your hands from fighting, and establish prayer, and give zakah"? But then when fighting was ordained for them, at once a party of them feared men as they fear Allah, or with even greater fear. They said, "Our Lord, why have you decreed upon us fighting? If only you had postponed it for us for a short time." Say, the enjoyment of this world is little, and the hereafter is better for he who fears Allah. And injustice will not be done to you, even as much as a thread inside a date seed. Wherever you may be, death will overtake you, even if you should be within towers of lofty construction. But if good comes to them, they say, "This is from Allah." And if evil befalls them, they say, "This is from you." Say, all things are from Allah. So what is the matter with those people that they can hardly understand any statement? What comes to you of good is from Allah, but what comes to you of evil is from yourself. And we have sent you, O Muhammad, to the people as a messenger, and sufficient is Allah as witness. He who obeys the messenger has obeyed Allah, but those who turn away, we have not sent you over them as a guardian. And they say, "We pledge obedience." But when they leave you, a group of them spend the night determining to do other than what you say. But Allah records what they plan by night. So leave them alone and rely upon Allah. And sufficient is Allah as disposer of affairs. Then do they not reflect upon the Quran? If it had been from any other than Allah, they would have found within it much contradiction. And when there comes to them information about security or fear, they spread it around. But if they had referred it back to the messenger or to those of authority among them, then the ones who draw correct conclusions from it would have known about it. And if not for the favor of Allah upon you and His mercy, you would have followed Satan, except for a few. So fight, O Muhammad, in the cause of Allah. You are not held responsible except for yourself, and encourage the believers to join you, that perhaps Allah will restrain the military might of those who disbelieve. And Allah is greater in might and stronger in punishment. Whoever intercedes for a good cause will have a reward therefrom, and whoever intercedes for an evil cause will have a burden therefrom. And ever is Allah, over all things, a keeper. And when you are greeted with a greeting, greet in return with one better than it, or at least return it in a like manner. Indeed, Allah is ever, over all things, an accountant. Allah, there is no deity except Him. He will surely assemble you for the day of resurrection, about which there is no doubt. And who is more truthful than Allah in statement?